Hi class, it's me Mr. Morris, and this is the 5th video from the answer key to the AP Summer Homework. Okay, this is Summer Homework Chapter 1, Number 5, so we're going to start off up here. We're performing mathematical operations, and we need to use the correct number of significant figures. So remember that we've got different rules for significant figures. We've got addition and subtraction rules, and we got multiplication division rules. If we look at all of these, it's either addition or subtraction. So we're going to follow the addition subtraction rules in this section. So if you'll remember, and I'm just going to write this up here, addition and subtraction, we're going to keep the least number of decimal places. With multiplication or division, we're going to keep the least number of sig figs. So what that means is we're going to look at the number of significant decimal places or the number of significant figures in each. That was kind of redundant. The number of significant decimal places or the number of significant figures in each of the numbers, depending on what type of operation we're doing. Up here, we're doing addition and subtraction. So we're looking at the least number of significant decimal places. So I have 3, over here I have 4, and over here I have 5. So I'm going to keep the least number of significant decimal places. Well, 3 is the least number of significant decimal places. So let us go ahead and do this. In the calculator, we get 97.381 plus 4.2502 plus 0.99195. And I've got this on scientific notation mode. This is actually a good opportunity to remind you guys what to do if you've got the wrong mode on your calculator. So you see that E at the end? That's weird. That kind of messes with your mind. Most of the time you don't really want that. So what we're going to do is go up here, push the mode button. If I want it in normal notation, I want to hit enter while that blinking thing is on top of normal. If I want scientific, I'm going to move it over with the arrow button until it's on scientific. I want normal. Let's go back. Second, and then mode will be your quit button. And then if I want to just rerun that operation, I'll go up and push enter. Push the equal sign. All right, there we are. That's more like it. 102.62315. And I wanted to keep 3 decimal places, not 3 sig figs, 3 decimal places. So I want to keep 102.623, and then that 3, I need to look at the next number. Does that 1 make a 3 round up? No, it does not. So we're going to write 102.623. All right, let's do the next one. I have 1 decimal place, 3 decimal places, 2 decimal places. I'm going to round to 1 decimal place. So let's put this in the calculator. And if you make a mistake on this, if you get the wrong answer, it's probably because you did the same thing I did when I was doing this a little bit late at night and I wasn't thinking. Or anytime really, if you're just in a hurry and you just kind of get in a rut and you're kind of going through the motions and you don't pay it very much attention. We have an addition sign and then a subtraction sign. It's real easy to miss something simple like that. Make sure that you're going slow enough to pay attention to details, or else you're going to make a mistake. We all do, okay? So 171.5 plus 72.915 minus 8.23. Got that number there. I want to keep the least number of decimal places, which is 1 decimal place. Does that 1 round up, or does it stay the same? Rounds up to a 2, so we have 236.2. Next one. Okay, got 5 decimals. 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got 5 decimals again. Over here I've got 4 decimals. Okay, so we're going to round to 4 decimal places. Okay, let's put this in the calculator. 1.00914 plus 0.087104 plus 1.2012. I get that number. All right, I want to keep 4 decimal places because that's our least number of decimal places. So that would be 2974. The next number is another 4, so we're not going to round that up. It's going to be 2.2974. 2.2974. All right, next one. 3 decimals, 2 decimals, 4 decimals. We're going to go with this. 2 decimals, the least number of decimal places. So let's do that. 10.901 minus 13.21 minus 4.0215. And I get a negative number. Okay, negative 6.3305. I want 2 decimal places, so it's negative 6.33. All right. Hopefully that was a helpful reminder on significant figures and the rounding rules when you're doing addition and subtraction.